And also, you will also same time, 1 day span of time you will complete module. What is the effort that you have? One question, one question. At the end of the day, you complete module, you will understand that you easily go on. There is the advantage of time community. Always choose your community properly. Consciously, there are some isolated community. That is what we seek at. And even in the world, there is proven that law of character 80-20%. 80% of the people, 80% of the population uses only 20% of available resources in the world. That means remaining 20% of the population uses the 80% of available resources. These 80, if we take 100 people, 80 people out of these are average live a mediocre life every day. Every month they are waiting for a salary. Even though they are so many people are there, how do they get money? How can they get money? Is that money available for me? Always people become richer, poor people become poorer. You have noticed? Bullshit. First, erase this from their mind. There are plenty of opportunity available around you, plenty of money available around you. I prove it. There was a statistics analysis they learned in university. They started computing, they started computing available finance, available money through the world. In the world, we have almost 8.4 billion people population. They calculated the overall available money, amount of money, and they divided number of people in the world. The next 3 individuals' money, available money, you will get, correct? I have 100 rupees, they divided 100, individually everyone will get 100. Say they done this, overall money they calculated. So they divided the number of population, total population. They found one amount. One is the work of each and every individual in the world to earn a month. Do you know how much it is? It comes 11